The market for online wall art is worth billions, and it's only getting bigger. So whether you're a graphic designer, an influencer, a video game streamer, or a film production studio, you can tap into this $13 billion market by selling custom wall art online. From posters and canvases to metal prints and flags, custom print-on-demand wall art is a great way to make money online. In this video, we'll show you how to successfully sell custom wall art with Printful and take your business to the next level. Many successful brands that already use e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Squarespace also sell on a marketplace. With Printful, you can connect to Etsy and Amazon and other marketplaces to sell your products. This is a great way to reach an even wider audience. By offering your products on a marketplace, you can showcase your brand's quality and value to a larger group of people who are already interested in buying online. Plus, you'll be able to take advantage of the marketplace's built-in reputation and trust, which can help increase sales and grow your business. Etsy has been the go-to marketplace for custom goods for over 90 million users in 2022. Meanwhile, Amazon has reported having 310 million users. Introducing your products on multiple platforms can help diversify your profit streams. By using a multi-channel selling strategy, you avoid relying on just one platform. This will help you reach more potential customers and reduce the risk of being affected by changes on one single platform. Additionally, using multiple platforms can also give you valuable insights to customer preferences and behavior, which will help you optimize your sales strategy. Etsy and Amazon are also great tools for competitor research: what products they sell, what types of designs they have, and even their pricing. You can use keyword research tools like eRank, Marmalade, and Printful's Keyword Scout to see what products people are searching for in your niche. I'll leave a link to these tools in the description. You can also read through the reviews from sellers you find to see what customers are saying. Make sure to take a look at our thorough guide on mastering Etsy SEO. In this video, we share easy, actionable tips on how to improve your Etsy shop and listings to increase your sales. I'll leave a link in the description. Product personalization is selling products with features that can be edited by your customers. You can offer a personal touch to your wall art products and improve your customers' experience by offering design options most relevant to them. You can participate in this growing trend by creating new personalized designs or adapting your best-selling designs to have personalized options. According to Deloitte's research, more than half of consumers are interested in buying personalized products and services. There are different types of personalization options you can offer. You can add customizable text, add an image uploader, or even digitize their photos into an illustration before printing. The key is to find the right balance and offer options that your customers will love. Think about how you can offer personalization to your niche. The most common personalized wall art products fall into the family and pet niche. You can research what's selling and apply it to your niche. If you don't have any ideas, try searching through a marketplace for examples. Search for personalized wall art, then add your niche keywords. By providing personalized designs, you'll improve your customers' experience and increase the value of their orders. With Printful, you can set up automatic customizable options with two of our integrations: Shopify, WooCommerce, and manual personalization with Etsy. Your customers will be able to edit text or upload their images, and it'll automatically update the order when it imports over to us. With other e-commerce platforms, there's a manual approach you can take. We've created a video to show you how to do this. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. Cross-selling is a sales technique that involves encouraging customers to buy related or complementary products in addition to the ones they're already considering. The goal is to increase average order value by adding recommendations or suggestions through your customer's shopping journey on your store. Think about it. When someone is looking to buy art to decorate a space, in most cases, they buy more than one piece to fit a theme or color scheme. E-commerce retailers on average have seen around 400 to 900% increase for recommended products in different areas of their online store. There are several places on your website where you can add suggested products to take advantage of this opportunity. You can add your suggested products on the cart checkout page, category pages, and product pages. Another thing you can do is create a collection of bundled wall art listings. Look for complementary designs of products you can sell with your wall art. Arrange the mockups to create a visual example of how multiple wall art pieces look together. Once your product suggestions are set up, create content and promote sets of products your customers can buy from your store. As we all know, short-form vertical video content is king on social media and great for selling products. On TikTok, for example, 61% of users tend to purchase products advertised by brands. So I suggest you start with applying your time and resource there. Research popular content and keywords related to wall art. For example, search for wall art on TikTok and take note of the related searches and popular videos in the search results. Use the found keywords and content ideas to create engaging, short-form vertical videos that showcase your wall art products. Include the tags and hashtags you find related to wall art in your videos to make them more discoverable. That's all for this video. I hope you found these tips useful and motivating to help you sell more wall art online. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time.